Good morning, everybody. Brian Morris here. It is approximately 8:40 a.m. on August the 7th. It is Tuesday. Got in a trade here this morning. It's very, very low volume pre-market open, but we do have a break of support, a retrace, an EMA touch. So there's a couple of things going on here that makes me think we should at least be able to get back down to the 89 EMA down here. So we're going to see if we can ride this down and at least get a little trade in this morning before the open. So I will pause the video and we'll come back and see what happens. Okay, well, that trade didn't go in my favor, but that's okay. That's going to happen. We'll get it back down 85. We'll probably just wait for something more solid to set up. This was in a range, and I kind of was hoping that it kind of had a downward move here, but clearly there's some stronger support down here. So we're just going to wait until we get the volume to pick up a little bit. The market opens in 28 minutes, so it's 9:02, almost 9:03. So once the market opens, unless something just develops between now and market open, I probably won't trade it. And then I'm going to need to wait until probably after 10 a.m. just for the market to calm down. A lot of the losers that I incurred during the day happened because I'm trading during the market open. So we will wait and see what happens. I'll come back if there's anything exciting to share. Okay, I was just going to buy on up close, but the trade just triggered. We got an EMA bounce down here, broke resistance, retraced. Hopefully that'll... Alright, it went just that fast. A little bit more volume here during the market open. But we'll bring this guy in here and got a winner. We'll see if we can get out of this red. We'll wait for the market starting to pick up now. I'm going to stay out for a little while until this calms down. There was some volume, but not crazy like it is right now. So we're going to stay out for the moment. Well, this looks like a good short opportunity, but it's a higher risk trade, especially with the volume being crazy. So we'll stay out for a little while. I'll be back when there's something to report. Okay, we're going to look to sell on up close here. Looks like we found some support here, and with an uptrend already, looks like we might be able to go long here. I'd feel better if this came down to touch the EMA, but it'd probably have to close on the down side to get to it. So we'll just we'll buy on up close and see what happens. Okay, it pushed down on us, pushed down past the EMA. It may have found another support here. We'll see if it holds. If not, we could buy the up close here. If it bounces off this support and gives us 8 ticks. But if we get a down close, then I'm going to cancel this order. So we'll pause the video. I'll just come back if we get into another trade. Okay, buying on up close here. If it up closes here, we'll have an EMA bounce off the major EMA support. There's also other support down here that could offer it some. Looks like we might get filled on this. Okay, well, we'll pause the video and wait for something to happen here. Okay, that did not go in my favor, and not only that, it looks like I accidentally had 2 positions on in that, so we lost double. It kind of sucks, but, you know, it is what it is. We can recover from that. Okay, had a couple of trades here. This one actually moved the stop down a little bit. That's why this one didn't stop. I had a lot of faith that this one was going to go the foretail and move up on us, and it certainly did. And I actually put on multiple positions once it got up here, so I was able to kind of cash in and get out of the hole a little bit, and then took another one on this retrace here. Right now it's kind of looks like it's kind of consolidating. There's too many white candles in this area for me to feel comfortable trading, so I'm going to wait for that to kind of smooth out a little bit. But I wanted to show you we're at 165 right now, so we will wait and see. And you can see here, like I said, that multiple positions, I moved that up and kind of a trailing stopped that one a little bit. I wish I could have shown that one on video so you could see it, but actually, you might have an opportunity to buy on up close here. You know, we could have an EMA bounce as well as a kind of a double bottom support area here. So we could buy on up close if it so desires. That'd be nice to push us up over 200 for the day. Looks like it's going to push down a little bit. Well, we'll pause the video and come back if something happens. And I looked away and for 30 seconds, and the trade triggered and was a winner. So we are up over 200 right now, so not looking too bad. If I could get 2 or 3 more trades like that, I would be done for the day. We'll pause the video and see if anything comes up. Okay, we're going to sell on down close. If this down closes, then we'll look for this break of multiple areas of support and retrace. This is the last candle that can go. Once it paints this 4th candle, it will nullify this down trend. So we'll wait to see if we can sell on down close. We'll pause the video. Okay, this one did trigger on down close. Oh, it kind of shot right back up on us. I have to move the stop to just above that candle. I might break out of this one early if I can get a little bit of profit out of it. We'll see what kind of motion we get here. Well, took us out. Well, those are the breaks. We'll find another one. Okay. A rough day of trading, folks. Look at this. Several losers here. We were in the red for quite a bit, in and out of the red for a little bit. Finally able to get back into some profit and up $485. Now that sounds like a lot, but if you look over here, it took 72 trades to get there. So, I mean, 72 times 260 round trip, it's $187. So if I subtract the 485, I mean, I'm still basically right at that $300. But it took a lot to get there, and it wasn't easy, and it was stressful, and that's just kind of how it is sometimes. And I just got to take good trades and hope for the best. I added multiple positions on some of them just to try to make up for it, which is probably a really dumb idea, especially if it goes south, which it did on a couple of trades over here. This particularly was one of them. This was one of them, I believe, and this was one of them. The rest of them all worked out. So anyway, that's the story right now, and I'm going to close it out for the day. We'll mark up the charts a little bit later in the day, but I'm not trading anymore, so that is what it is, and we'll see you in a little bit after market. Okay, just wanted to give a little update. I know I said I was going to stop, and I am now. But 79 trades, so I was right here at 72, and just took some more trades to get me to here. After 79 trades, commission round trip, $205, commission minus 605. It's going to leave me with right about $400 net for the day. So, yeah, definitely calling it. It's 11:44 a.m. on August 7th, which is Tuesday, and that's going to be it for today. I will update end of market just to see what the rest of the trades are doing and what's available if you were to use the system exactly. For me, I was not being very disciplined today, and kind of got away from what the system was trying to do. There were some losing trades in here following the system, but I didn't quite have the discipline today and kind of went rogue, and it definitely shows in some of, I guess it was mostly through here, which was really, I was up $260 and then I was down $405, and then just kind of slowly had to dig my way out, and then made another mistake, and then made another mistake, and but then I was able to kind of get my stride, and had one loser since. So 79, that's 22 trades. So I went 21 winners and 1 loss at that point. So you know, and then if you want to look at the summary, I guess, to see, you know, 73% win percentage, 58 winners, 21 losers. Total net 605. So it hasn't factored in the commissions yet, but you know, this is just kind of trading, I guess. I mean, this is way over trading, and I should have stopped right there. Actually, I was sitting right here and considered stopping. Had a little bit of a issue at the beginning, but it kind of worked out. So we'll pause the video and come back into market. Okay, everybody, it's almost 4 o'clock. We're going to go ahead and call it. 31 wins today for the system, 7 losses. Net after $99 in commission after these 38 trades is $581. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. Now we're back into real time. Let me show you what has been going on. Today has been a record day and then some. Well, it says 880, but that's not even true. There's more. So there's another trade. $935 today on a 116 trades. It's ridiculous. Now, granted, some of them were like three contracts. Some of them were 5 contracts. It was just, if some of these had multiple contracts on them, if they looked solid, if they were higher probability trades, I was throwing more contracts on, just to kind of see what I could do. And it almost bit me in the butt this morning. I mean, we were in the red quite a bit this morning, but then we got in the black and stayed. Well, actually we got in the black, pulled it away a little bit, but then kind of came back in. I promise you tomorrow should not be like this. It's going to be more conservative trading. But after starting off like this, I kind of needed to prove to myself that I could get back into the discipline and take care of business, and I did. So 116 trades is a little, it's going to be a lot, times 260 round trip, minus 935, so net for the day, $633. And it was earned every penny. So anyway, that's what's going on for today. We're wrapping this guy up for now, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a little bit of a calmer day and get back on track with fewer trades and hitting our goal profit-wise. See you tomorrow.